This is a quick review for these black Z-panel mounts for mounting solar panels. It came in a pack of 4, which is enough to do one solar panel, which is great that it came with that. It did come with some screws that I didn't end up using though. I needed some that would go into this T-slot channel, so I ended up buying some black T-slots that worked and matched the same size as the bolts that came with it. They're all matching. I really just wanted to have the overall black look, and I accomplished that with these. They're kind of like your standard mounts. I was able to screw the solar panel in and mount it to the backside, so I don't see any of that hardware. All I see is the nice black look across the solar panel and across my whole roof rack. These are pretty cool, but they're heavy duty. They don't break down or move. The solar panel is extremely rigid on there. I'm not worried about them breaking. They've lasted quite a long time. I've got about 10,000 miles on this solar panel, driving it around in North roads, and they are still holding it on securely. So I'm very happy with these bracket mounts.